What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we are going to be doing another quote of the week with a motivational mindset for you, a morning routine mindset for you today, and also we are going to be drawing this Muka pattern in our Zentangle art therapy session. So what we are waiting for, folks? Let's roll intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone? Hope we all had a good week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch and motivational artist, uploading art therapy videos on a Wednesday and how-to videos and art therapy videos with a motivational mindset on a Tuesday. I'm also a sketch artist as well. I create portrait drawings of your pets or of people as well. It's commission based, all pencil drawings. There is a if you look on my website, you will see testimonials of people that I have been drawing for, and I can pretty much do them now within a couple of weeks. I had an email come through of somebody wanting a commission piece done. I'm in the middle of creating that at the moment. Been working hard on that. They need it done by Father's Day of coming this Sunday. So I'm going to be busy working on that one. I have been busy working on that one. Not only have I been doing my normal day job during the week, but I've also, when I've been getting home, been sitting there and I've been drawing as well. So I've been flat out busy this week. I've done a few videos. I've done a few designs for my Redbubble store. I didn't do any books. I have started to create a book. But I've not uploaded it just yet or included in the interior pages. The designs that I put up for last week are just running along the bottom of this video now. I was very much getting into more of the sort of trends that were happening and still creating more of the countries for the Olympics coming up in July. Fingers crossed that still happens. Also, I've been creating the books as well. These books are absolutely fabulous. If you want to be following along to any of my tutorials, especially my mandala drawings, I have the How to Draw a Mandala book, which is on my Amazon store. Links are all the links for any of my stuff are in the description below. You can follow along to any of my mandala drawings with this book. Very simple. You don't have to draw any of the circles or anything like that. They're already pre-made for you. Also, on the Tuesday when I do my art therapy Zentangle drawings as well, you can follow along either by drawing a square on a piece of paper, or you can follow along with using my It's Not Just Motivational Mindset Mood Tracker Diary. A very good book to help you get through those difficult times. If you want to be writing down any of your thoughts, in fact, the quote that we'll be doing for this, the quote that we'll be pretty much creating. And with the last bit of the segment of the show, where I'm going to be doing my quote of the week, it's going to come in handy with using this book, because you can write down any of your gratitudes and any of your goals or anything like that within this book as well. It's a very good book to get you through anything you may be going through. There are art therapy drawings in there for you to do, and also breathing exercises for you to focus on and do yourself as well. It will just help you to focus more, help you to concentrate, and help you to calm down and be more relaxed. And moving on to today's art therapy session, like I was saying, we are going to be drawing this Muka pattern here. It looks very complicated to do. It really isn't. All you're going to be needing is the book, piece of paper, pen and pencil. So what are we waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. how was that video for you guys? Hope that was all okay for you, and hope you're all nicely relaxed creating these videos. I mean, sometimes you might want to watch these videos in the evening time, because I know I'll put these videos out during the day, but if you want to sit back in the evenings, chill out time for yourself, dim the lights, light a candle, light an incense stick, get some nice, calming, relaxing music being played in the background, and have that moment to yourself, and draw some really nice art therapy drawings, Zentangle patterns. They will help you to concentrate, help you to focus, help you with the hand-eye coordination, and also help you to sleep better as well. And they just help you to unwind and get rid of any of that day's stress that you may have been experiencing. And yes, let's move on to today's quote and motivational mindset for you guys. And today's quote is, if you win the morning, you win the day. I'm going to be going through 10 routines for you to do in the mornings, help you to have a more productive day. Rule number 1, don't hit that snooze button. Now, how very tempting it can be. It goes off in the morning, you're like, oh no, I don't want to be getting up for work or anything like that. Don't be feeling like that. Forget about that snooze button, don't hit it, and get yourself up. Number 2, avoid looking at your phone straight away. Leave it until you're ready, and you're ready for work, and you're ready to start the day. That's when you look at your phone. Don't look at your phone as soon as you wake up, because you'll sit there and you'll look at it and you'll see all these other things coming up. May not be so motivational, may not be productive. It may be someone's going through something bad on you if you're looking on Facebook or Instagram, and they're saying something that they're having a bit of a bad start to the day. So don't be looking at your phone straight away. Wait until later on when you're fully recovered, fully woken up. Have a look at your phone then. Number 3, drink a glass of water, get hydrated. Start the day with a nice glass of water, and then start your coffee off then. Nice glass of water will help to refresh you, clear your brain, and help you start and get you ready, started for the day. Number 4, write in a journal. This is where it comes into using It's Not Motivational Mondays book. Write in that journal of yours, gratitudes. As soon as you wake up, write a gratitude. Write down 3 gratitudes that you are grateful for. Can be anything. Grateful for waking up, grateful for the family you have, grateful for breathing, grateful for the day that you had yesterday. Anything like that, whatever you are grateful for, it can be the most mundane thing. Whatever it is, write it down in your journal. Also as well, write down a couple of goals that you want to do. 3 or 4 goals that you want to achieve, either that day or for this week or for that week. Write it down, whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to do, and write it down. It's important that you write it down and not just think it. By writing it down, you're planning it and you're creating it, and it's been processed into your subconscious. The more you sort of write down any of your goals or any of your achievements, the more it's going to be logged in, and it's going to be clarified, and it's going to be more cemented into your subconscious. So write down anything you want to achieve or any of your gratitudes or goals. Number 5, plan your day. Plan your day ahead. Even do that the day before as well. Plan what you want to be doing. Plan what's going to be happening. Plan what sort of day you want to be having. You want to be having a positive day, so make sure it's something positive that you are writing down for you to achieve that day. And number 6, eat that frog. Now, I'm not telling you to literally go out into your garden, go by the pond or anything like that, and find yourself a frog or a toad and chow down. I'm not telling you to do literally eat that frog. What I'm saying it as a metaphor. Let that frog take over you, because you'll end up procrastinating for the rest of the day. So grab the bull by the horns, eat that frog, and get prepared and do what you're supposed to be doing. Whatever you wrote down as your goal, do it. And if you don't, like I was saying, you'll end up procrastinating it, and you'll end up not wanting to do it. So eat that frog. And number 7, listen to a podcast. Listen to a motivational podcast. There are plenty out there. There are on Spotify or anything like that. Listen to a nice motivational podcast, or even a video from YouTube. There are plenty of motivational videos on YouTube. I listen to loads by Eric Thomas, Les Brown, Earl Nightingale, Napoleon Hill. I listen to loads. I listen to loads of motivational videos all the time. When I'm drawing, when I'm even thinking about things, or anything like that. It's a great way to start the day. Read something positive, or listen to something, or watch something positive. It is a brilliant way to start your day. Number 8, exercise or meditate. Go for a walk, go for a run, have that little time to yourself, meditate, play some nice relaxing music, and get into that little zone of yours or you're nicely chilled, nicely relaxed, ready to start your day. Number 9, make a healthy breakfast. Good way to start the day is with a nice, healthy breakfast for yourself. Get that started up and you'll be nicely fully energized and ready to start your day. And the last one, number 10, get yourself ready. Get ready for work. After you've done all of that, you are going to be feeling invigorated, ready for the day, ready to start it all off, feeling happy and feeling positive. By starting your day off by doing any of these things, it's going to give you it increases the productivity of your day. So you can start off your day really, really well and in a positive mood. It also reduces stress levels. You won't be so stressed when you get into work or whatever you're going to be doing that day. It also grounds you as well. Keeps you nice and calm, keeps you relaxed, and gets you started and ready. As well, it starts your day off on the right foot. You're not going to be feeling negative. You're not going to be feeling all down and drowsy. It's going to start you off in a nice, positive way and on the right foot. And last but not least, by doing all of this, you control the day, not the day controls you. Those are my 10 successful morning routines for you to try out and accomplish. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.